Howdy folks, my name is Gary Trichter and I'm a DWI specialist, patriot and lover of our Constitution. I want to be the defender of your constitutional rights. As a citizen, your rights need to matter a lot and your reputation has to be protected. Criminal defense lawyers are really first and foremost defenders of the Constitution. They are the defenders of your rights. I'm here to protect your rights, your name, your reputation, and moreover, your profession, your family, and your life as a whole. I do that by making sure the government does not cheat or steal from you. In a way, my job is to police the police. A defense lawyer is a constitutional law enforcement officer who is sworn to protect the rights of each individual person. I'm here to make sure that the government does not cheat or steal from you. In fact, I tell the government, the police, the prosecutors, and the courts, they are not allowed to trespass on your rights. In short, I am a constitutional warrior. The Constitution is our express limitation on the government's authority and power. It draws that line and tells the government not to cross it. I'm your spokesman for that purpose. I'm your warrior. I don't have to be politically correct with the police, the prosecutor, or the courts for you. I only have to be constitutionally correct for you. And that means I'm going to give you 100% of who I am all the time. I've been defending constitutional rights most of my life. I'm just not good at it. I'm very good at it. In fact, many say I'm great at it. In my mind, I don't want to be a typical ordinary lawyer. Interestingly, I'm the lawyer most other lawyers want to be like. Why do I say that? Because I've been teaching other lawyers how to do this for over 42 years. I've done this by lecturing, writing, and by example. I am not only an out-of-the-box thinker, but more importantly, I'm an out-of-the-box defender of your rights. Like the early test pilots in aviation who lived to push the flight envelope, I push the law to its boundary edges for you so that you get everything you've been promised. So you get every right that was reserved by our founders who said these were inalienable rights. They come from God, your sacred rights. It is my job, my duty, and my responsibility to make sure you get the protections of those God-given rights. We here at Trichter, LeGrand, Hulton, and White are lawyers' lawyers. No one gets to work here unless you are a mini-me of me. My team thinks like me, acts like me, fights like me. And when they run into a hurdle or a problem, they come to me and we solve it together. I've trained some of the best lawyers in Texas in my day. Many have moved on, but it is clear they did not learn all that I knew or that I've learned since then. Moreover, they have not had the benefit of my thinking, creativity, or lessons learned since they left, but my team does. Now, what is true is that my team, Leslie, Aaron, and Greg, are the best I've ever had. They're the most skilled, dedicated, caring, and effective lawyers I've ever had the opportunity to work with. As for me, if Webster had a picture dictionary of descriptive phrases and you looked up the phrase DWI specialist, I think you might find my picture there. I believe that because I was the first DWI specialist in Texas. I've taught over 300 seminars and I've been published over 50 times. I'm the past dean for the National College for DUI Defense and the past president of the Texas Criminal Defense Lawyers Association. God had King David say in Psalms 139:14, "I am fearfully and wonderfully made." And if you speak to police officers I've cross-examined, prosecutors I've tried cases with, and judges I've practiced before, I'm confident that they would all tell you that as a defender of constitutional rights, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. God made me love the law. He made it both my mission and my passion. Now that you know who we are, let my team and I help you become a victor and not a victim. Let us be your vindicators. We are here to help. All you need to do is to ask. Call me at 713-524-1010. That's 713-524-1010. Ask for Gary.